Galing. Oh, everything you put that. Uy, very good yan. Oh, yung sipag ng baby ko. Oh, yehey. Uy, many pa. Another. There. Oh, there. Oh. Oh, galing naman yan na. Uy, galing naman talaga magligpit yan na. Oh, very good yan na. Bright talagang baby ko ah. Oh. Oh, everything. There pa, there. Oh, you there. Keep this one, oh. There, headset, you put that. Ay, headset, Nikpan pala. Yan. Mukha kasing headset yung pipan mo eh, oh. Oh. Are you happy? Are you happy to keep that, your toys? Yes, oh yes daw. Oh, yeah, very good. First time na nakaligpit siya ng ganyang mga laruan. Oh, ayan. Eh. Ang batang gising pa ng alas 2. 2 o'clock in the morning. Oh, yung galing. Yay! Another pa. Another. Oh, careful. Oh, galing naman yung baby. Ah. Sana all tuloy-tuloy yung ganyan kabait. Ah, sipag yarn. Ah, yay! Apin na, upper. High five. High five, mama. High five. Come on. High five. Oh, high five. Oh, approve. Oh, approve. Yay! Oh. Oh, you close that. Oh, galing naman yan. Ah. Oh, hindi na ma-close. Hayaan mo na. Oh no, it's broken. It's broken? Yeah, it's broken. Oh. Oh, hayaan mo na. Oh. Lagay mo na sa gilid, dali na. Oh no, what to do? Oh, hayaan mo na. Oh, naasar na. Asar na nila sarado. Oh, bye-bye na, bye-bye. Bye-bye. High five. Bye five daw. Oh, approve. Approve, yay. Oh, heart nga, heart. Yay. Oh, heart namin dalawa. Oh, heart siya yan eh. Oh, yan ang heart niya. Oh. Ganda na tawa. Oh. Oh, bye-bye na. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.